How to use star code in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Then click on Robux at the top right. After that, click on Buy Robux, which is the first option. In here, simply select the Robux you want to buy. After you have selected the Robux you want to buy, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, you will find click here to add a star code. Click on click here. After that, simply enter the star code and press on add. After that, your star code will be added and simply select payment and you're good to go. This is how to use star code in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.